Hi, it's Steve Schwartz with PD Go Digital Marketing. I'm super excited. Today I want to tell you about the launch of a new system we created called TextMeDeals.com. And what we do is we help our customers have their own VIP texting list so that our clients can send a single text message out to all of their very best customers by text message all at once anytime they want to, offering specials, discounts, coupons, or whatever. Let me show you how it works.
Okay, so here's how you use the TextMeDeals.com system to send a text message out to all of the recipients on your list. You log into your account of the PD Go system and you see this screen. You come down here to where it says Mailing Lists and click, and you'll see any and all lists that you have here. This is our list, which we call Text List 1 All in this particular case. And I selected it, and I'm going to click just for fun, Manage Subscribers. This shows a list of everybody who's on this particular list, who's agreed to receive text messages through our system. If I needed to import names, I can do so as well, or I can manually add a subscriber here. Okay. But to send a message out is super easy. Select the list, click Send, and this box pops up. You click SMS here. It tells you the total number of recipients on your list. You can ignore this piece right here. And then in this box here, you type the message that you wish to send out to everybody by text. It needs to be 160 characters or fewer in order to go through as a single message. So you write it there and click Send. And the system takes care of it. It'll be sent out typically within 30 seconds to a minute. Everybody on your list should have the message in their phone.